Good evening, all. Today we are going to do the readings for Aquarius, especially Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. All those beautiful people who are Aquarius, let us have your readings. So, what is going to be in your readings for this coming week? Okay. By the way, my name is Nalini Trita Taneja. I am a tarot card reader from Dehradun. So this reading is for Aquarians. There's a beautiful energy. You've got the sun. You've got the justice. The cards are spilling. The energies are very strong. You've got 5 of Wands. At the bottom of the deck, you have got the star, but I'm not taking it because star is the Aquarian card. You've got the Hermit. You've got King of Cups. Beautiful energy so far, Aquarians. And then you have got 7 of Cups. You've got Queen of Wands. Three cards more. Okay, you've got Temperance. And you've got 9 of Swords. One last card more. Here we go. You've got the Lovers card. Okay. There is one more card that's spelled out, that is 9 of Cups, and I'm going to take it. Okay, let us start with your reading, Aquarius. So first card was the Sun card. The Sun card shows you are into your full power. The Sun card also shows sometimes a marriage or prosperity in marriage or happiness in marriage. Okay, and Sun card also shows your inner abilities, your beauty shining very bright like a sun. Okay, you've got Justice and you have got 5 of Wands. Something or the other went wrong in the past, Aquarians, that put you in a hermit mode. You've got the hermit mode also. Some arguments were exchanged, or maybe there was a friction between two minds, two people that that brought a separation, or that brought certain kind of a battle around you. Maybe there was certain harsh words they were exchanged, or maybe there was certain disinterest of some person that you were in love with. Because of that, you were in a hermit mode, maybe for the past couple of months or days, not years, days or months. Then you have a beautiful card as Justice, and then you have got King of Cups. Now see, I can see from the whole reading, you have got the Lovers card also. So this can be your twin flame. You are dealing with a Gemini. This is a Gemini card. So you can always be dealing with your twin flame. And then there is a Temperance card. That is a very beautiful card. 9 of Cups and 7 of Cups. There is a separation right now between you and your lover. Okay. You have got 9 of Swords also. So 9 of Swords, somebody is having sleepless nights, somebody is having this particular person is often feeling about you, thinking about you the whole day, not only in the day, but then feeling and thinking about your past memories in the night also. You can see this card. So there is the person is maybe your twin flame. If you believe in twin flames, as what I do, he can be a Gemini, and he can be Aries, he can be Leo, and he can be Pisces also. So I find a lot of Gemini energy, I find a lot of Aries and Pisces energy here, and you have got 9 of Cups. All right, now when there is a separation between the two parties, nobody is moving forward. As far as you are concerned, you have withdrawn yourself. You were in a hermit mode earlier. So you have withdrawn yourself from the person, you have withdrawn yourself from the situation. Now you are not present in their energies, in the other person's energies. Now you're not thinking about going back to that person, as if I am correct, if you are able to understand me. So you are there is a Temperance, you can see there's a beautiful card, and there is Queen of Wands also. These are beautiful cards. So you are standing on your own grounds, not looking backwards. Okay, but as far as this person is concerned, this person has got still a lot of love. There's 9 of Wands, but then there is 7 of Cups. Now 7 of Cups indicates that maybe if there was a third party situation in his life, and if third party situation was the cause of separation between both of you, then he's now thinking that all that glitters is not gold. That means the grass on the other side was not green. So that is why he is again coming back to you. He again wants you back. He's a King of Cups, you can see. He's got a lot of passion for you. He's got a lot of love for you. And he wants you back. But then the energy, he's thinking about it, but the energy is little slow. He's not coming back very fast. Okay. So let's see. You can see at the bottom of the deck, we have got 3 of Swords. So 100% there was a third party situation between you and your twin flame, or your lover, or your partner, as what you take it. And now when he's over with that, now when he's seen the reality, now when he saw the love, there was a love. Now he is coming back to you. You've got 6 of Cups, and you have got the Magician. You've got Magician, and you have got the 6 of Cups. Now he's, maybe feeling stuck with the memories you both people have, Aquarian and this person. You're stuck with the memories with this person, and he's going to manifest it. He's planning to manifest it. You have got 4 of Swords at the bottom of the deck. 2 more cards, please, for the outcome. Okay, you have got 2 of Pentacles. Now what did I see? There was 2 parties juggling between the 2 people. He's still in a situation where he has 2 people or 2 situations in his life where he's juggling between the 2 people, and he's feeling stuck with both of them. not only one. One more card, please. So you have got Two of Swords, Aquarians, and you have got the Star. That's a beautiful Aquarian. Now see, you have got Gemini and you have got Aquarian. So there is a very heavy Gemini energy here. Now you've got the Star, okay, and you have got Two of Swords. See, overall energies here, what I can see, there was a separation between the two, are not coming back in the coming future, not very soon, but then definitely there is a love from their side, a lot of love. They take you as a star, okay. This person takes you as a star, you know, this person takes you as their wish fulfillment, you can say. There is a Justice card, that is a very beautiful card. So now still I can see a very slow moving energy is still juggling between the two worlds of his private life. Then you've got Two of Swords. Aquarians out there, you are very guarded towards this person. You are guarding your heart chakra. You are not letting anybody come in. Most of the Aquarians may be single also. You might be having a lot of options, but then you know you're still feeling very single. You wish to be single and wish to be in your power, okay. Trying to uplift your inner consciousness, your inner inner level of your spiritual consciousness. But again, you know, beautiful two cards. You've got Aquarius, the Sun and the Star. So you are shining very bright. This person definitely has got love for you, or you have got love for them. Vice versa. Take as it resonates. And thank you so much. The energies are slow, but then there is a lot of love between the two parties, okay. If you want to connect me, if you want the extended readings, just let me know. I have given you my page number, my group number also. You can always come and message me related to that, okay. Thank you so much, Aquarians. Love you all. Bye bye.